Namaste बच्चों, I JVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is what is the opportunity in fashion when we select a corporate sector. So career in fashion is exciting, competitive and fast paced. The career path available can vary greatly and often intersect with other industry. Some fashion professionals are focused on the design, creation, and styling of garments, while others work with the commercial end of the industry in sales or fashion merchandising roles. There is also a demand for fashion reporting, PR, photography, and marketing, another important sector of this diverse industry. So basically there are 7 benefits of a career in fashion. First one, you are surrounded by creativity, means even if you are not interested in a creative role within the fashion industry, you will still be around a lot of people who enjoy expressing themselves in artistic and creative way. The fashion industry is colorful and full of flavor as it is centered around clothing, design and style. Second thing is it's glamorous. The main thing in the whole world is glamorous. While in the fashion industry can be very glamorous, you never know when famous designers, celebrities, models and actors will make an appearance. However, meeting famous people and attending fashion shows and fancy industry event are a small part of a career in fashion. The career is so much in the glossy photos that you seen in the magazine. That is the part of fashions. The clothes. Working in the fashion industry is perfect for someone who is passionate about the clothing and how it is made and designed. However, don't think that you will afford those beautiful designer shoes, bags or blazer right away. Starting out in fashion industry means earning typical starting salaries. That being said, you will still be surrounded by beautiful clothing, stylish people and the designer who made it all happen. Fourth one is full of hard working people. Surviving in the fashion industry takes a strong person. The industry is perfect for tenacious people who like to be challenged, have a good attitude and are not afraid of working hard. Fifth one is it's multifaceted. The fashion industry is moving away from the rigid job roles and moving toward employee. People with many different skills who can take on a variety of tasks. These jobs are far more dynamic and multifaceted than they used to be, making one position more interesting than before. Sixth one, the freebies. When it comes to freebies, there is no industry quite like the fashion industry. Whether it is just another day at the office or you have headed to a fancy company event, you will be welcomed by goodie bags and freebies galore. Brands wants you to remember them. It is hard to forget the brand that give you your favorite red lip gloss, the one that you always have in your purse for free. Seventh, it's fast paced. The fashion industry moves fast and is always shifting and evolving, just like fashion trends. Every year, thousands of designers showing new collection and design that then set the trends for the following year. So, fashion industry professionals are constantly working on what's new. Now we discuss the career option in fashion designing. So basically we describe all the 7 topics. Now we discuss the job related to the fashion designing when you have a degree. And the second thing, where fashion degree, designing degree would be useful in which sector. So if you have a fashion designing degree, then you should go for a fashion designer, retail buyer, retail manager, retail merchandiser, fashion stylist, textile designer, visual merchandiser. And if you have a degree, then you use your degree in this sector also: clothing, textile technologist, event manager, jewelry designer, magazine journalist, makeup artist, public relation officer. So there are some introductory tips. Now it's up to you to go to the rest of the way. So all the best, and अपनी तैयारी अच्छे से करें, आगे अच्छे से पढ़ें. So if you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.